Dekat hong ban khang la de juan slat ka klam covid hak kala ka balai la ni ka that wef u menteri ka tnak ko ka kya ba el hek daradi ula hiar ni ka sngi sharilum ka ru ban kendu mar khmat pat ki border district ki doktor mat kinu yakun ba khmat ya ka ni klam covid harkat ka jinon lang u DHS Dr. Amanwar u menteri ula ongru ba kum ka jala ya kun met bat masiem da ka jingkrshan lang joboro ban yakun ni klam covid ha borok ko ka jala
District along with DC, DHSMI, Joint Director, and MHO to take a review for how we are prepared for this coming. And any eventuality, any situation will come to the third wave. So from the government and the department, we should be ready. So I would request the DHSMI to little bit elaborate how we are prepared for the third wave and the situation of COVID.
Thank you, sir. Sir, we have come all the way and under your guidance and leadership, and we have had a very fruitful meeting along with the district administration under the Deputy Commissioner, Mr. Ram Krishna, and the Joint Director of Government Division, Dr. Janunga Marak, Dr. Nobri, Joint Director, and the DMNHO, Dr. Lili Marak. So, from the discussion which we had had with all concerned, we have found that Southwest Garo Hills is one of the districts which has improved considerably from the last time when we came. Now, as we could see, that this particular district, including the hospitals, the PHCs and CHCs, are in a position to combat effectively in case there is a surge. And as of now, what we have seen is the management of the COVID situation in the district is overall, I think, exemplary. And we feel that with such preparation, we are in a position to say with confidence that any type of wave that comes, with God's help and with the hard work being put in by all concerned, we'll be able to tide over this crisis. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Review meeting, we have left no stone unturned to ensure the safety and protections of the people. They all are working very hard, and also once again, I wish a very, very happy Doctor's Day. Thank you.